In this video, I'm going to show you how to get more stone in Viking Rise. If you find this video helpful, please consider to like this video and subscribe to my channel. In saying that, let's just jump straight into the video. Okay, the best way to do this is to gather stone on the world map. So send your workers or heroes to gather from stone deposits on the world map. Now you want to go ahead and choose heroes with gathering or economy bonuses for faster collection, and you can use multiple marches to gather from several deposits at one. Now to find these, just go around in the world map and find for those stone deposits. I've basically cleared everything around my base here, so for me to continue getting stone deposits. So here's one here. I need to go ahead and clear these monsters to be able to collect these deposits on this side of the map. We can also complete missions and events. So chapter missions, daily quests and tribe events often give stone as a reward as well. So focus on missions that involve building and upgrading, since these tend to pay out resources. Seasonal or special events sometimes include large bundles of stone. Save your energy and speed ups to perform well on them. But what we can do, so you can see here my stone is at 0. So it will say here we can replenish resources. So we can level 4 selection resource chests, obtain 120,000 stone when used. So I own 3 of these, so I'll go ahead and click on use. Now you can see my stone just got increased by 120k. Now we can do the same here for timber and food here. So we can see I own 1 of them, so I can replenish 10,000 for one. Here I can obtain 150,000 lumber when used, so I've got 2 of them. Now if you're in a tribe, you can use tribe help and market trades. So some tribes markets let you exchange your surplus wood or food for stone, so participate in those tribe resource events for collective bonuses as well.